Today we're heading to Sanibel Island and Captiva Island. Sanibel Island is located about 25 miles south from Fort Myers in Florida and is known for its long stretches of beaches and spectacular shells. People come from all over the world to collect shells on the island. This island has also much wildlife preserve where manatees, birds, and other wildlife can be encountered. Past Sanibel Island is Captiva Island to the north. Today we will make 3 stops on our trip. We will stop by the Sandoval Island Lighthouse, the Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge, and lastly we will stop at the Alison Hagerup beach in Captiva. The Sandoval Island Lighthouse is on the eastern tip of the island with great views, a fishing pier and a beach. This is a popular area on the island. The lighthouse is historic in that it is over 130 years old and was first lit in 1884. Our next stop is at Ding Darling National Wildlife. The wildlife is one of the largest undeveloped mangrove ecosystems in the United States, with 6,400 acres of mangrove forest. There are over 200 different types of birds, 60 different types of reptiles, and 35 species of mammals, including the endangered manatees. We were actually lucky to see these manatees. Notice the scars on the back of this manatee? Manatees are under the threat of extinction. Major threats are collisions with boats and loss of habitat. Sanibel Island is perfect for activities such as biking and hiking, nature, choices in shopping, restaurants. Now we're heading over to Captiva Island, which is at the northern tip. It feels more laid back here with a very quaint village area, assortment of shops and restaurants. Captiva Island is perfect for a quieter stay and has amazing sunsets. We will be heading to Hagerup Beach for the sunset and to get a view of the South Seas Resort, which is on the northern tip of the island. South Seas Resort sits on 330 acres and includes 9-hole golf course. If you were planning to visit Captiva Island and Sanibel Island, I think you should definitely do so. I don't believe you'll be disappointed. I wasn't. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and think about subscribing to this channel for more content like this one. Have a great day. Until next time.